Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Santander credit card step by step clearly. First, take your new Santander credit card and check that your name and the card number are correct. Next, find the sticker on the front of the card and note any instructions printed on it. Now, locate your PIN mailer if it arrived separately and keep it private. Then, prepare your identification details because the bank may ask you to confirm your identity. After that, open your phone and make sure you have a stable internet connection or signal. Next, decide which activation method you will use: Santander mobile banking, online banking, ATM, or phone. If you want the easiest option, download the Santander mobile app from the official App Store or Google Play. Then, open the app and sign in with your existing Santander online banking username and password. If you do not have access, tap the option to register or recover your login and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you are logged in, go to the card section or select your credit card from your account overview. Next, look for an option like Activate Card, Card Settings, or Manage Card. Then, tap Activate and enter the requested details such as the last digits of your card or your security information. After that, confirm the activation by completing any verification step, like a one-time passcode by SMS or in-app approval. Now, wait for the confirmation message that says your card is active. If you prefer online banking on a computer, open your browser and go to the official Santander website for your country. Then, sign into online banking and navigate to Cards or Account Services. Next, select your new credit card and choose the Activation or Card Management option. After that, confirm your identity if prompted and submit the activation request. If you want to activate at an ATM, take your card to a Santander ATM that supports chip transactions. Then, insert the card into the ATM and enter your PIN carefully. Next, complete a simple transaction like checking your balance or making a small cash withdrawal if available. After that, remove your card and keep the receipt secure or dispose of it safely. If you choose phone activation, call the activation number printed on your card sticker or in your welcome letter. Then, follow the automated prompts and enter your card number and any requested verification details. Next, confirm you are the cardholder when asked, and listen for the activation confirmation message. After activation, sign the back of your card in the signature panel if it has one. Then, make a small purchase with chip and PIN to ensure the card is fully ready for contactless payments. Finally, set up alerts and review your credit limit and payment due date in the app to stay in control. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.